take over. It's hard, but it's really hard because I see a lot of families here that I've been a part of, all these children that have come and we've been a part of, and I'm glad. I'm not crying because I'm sad. I'm crying because I'm happy for Erica's new journey, and I'm kind of nervous